Now here you can see I added this graphic width dot pen width is 20 and graphic width pen color red. Yani I want to change the thickness of the line what turtles is making. So you can see before the turtle move I wrote these two lines. If I write only first line, so only the thickness will be increased, and I change the color also. So now if I will run, so you can see the difference. Now the line has been changed, and thickness and the color. If you make the color blue, so it will change into blue. If you change the thickness 40, so it will change it. You can create different types of shapes in Small Basic. There are some ready-made commands. Now I show you. Suppose we have to make oval shape or the circle shape. So for this we use graphic window dot. When you will start graphic window, select this. Sorry. Enter dot draw. Suppose ellipse. Now you can see there is x, y, width, height. So you can give any of the width or any of the height here. Suppose I say 10. Also y I say 10, and width suppose 100, and height also 100. Now I run my program, so you can see this is ellipse. Like this you can make it rectangle, triangle, or whatever you want.